So, part of a few of the Porsche Cayman groups on Facebook, and you know, I'm always browsing them just to see pictures and stuff of people's cars. And this one guy named Gary Fu from Malaysia, he decided to make his own duckbill wing for the 987 Cayman. So, it sounded like it was going to be a limited run. And I kind of missed out on one of the other Facebook group members' custom ducktails that they were producing. So I figured I'd have to jump on it. Ended up being $900 total after shipping from Malaysia to the US. So let's unbox it and see what it's going to look like. So he packaged it really well, as far as I can tell. It's obviously very fragile. So hopefully the shipping company is abided by that. There we go. Here it is. So I forgot to mention that the price of the wing with shipping also included paint. So I had it painted the color of my Cayman, which is Carrera white. Alright boys, here we go. See what she look like. Alright, here she be in all of her glory. There it is, boys. It's a pretty nice paint job. Comes with double stick tape already. Fiberglass quality looks really good. He even signed, got a little signature on there. Kind of cool. Or not a signature, but wrote me a little message. That's pretty sweet. Also included some stickers. That's pretty cool. Emotional support vehicle, as well as some instructions for installation. Basically, comes with some double stick tape. Basically just going to test fit it. We're going to clean off the, just goes right on top of the stock spoiler. So we're going to clean that off really well, make sure there's no wax and grease and oil and stuff on it. And then we're going to stick the spoiler on. That's basically it. So let's see how it fits. Oh yeah, it just slips right on. The paint's perfect. These are all test fitted too before they're shipped out. Oh, that looks sick. There she blows. That looks sick, dude. So I like the shape of this because it was different from the other available ducktails. This is probably my favorite angle right here. Yeah, dude, that's fucking sick. Yeah, all the other ducktails are kind of like, I don't know, kind of wonky. That's sweet. But I like this one the best because it was just I like this ducktail just because it's got this like slanted shape and it Just looks a lot better than cleaner than the other available ducktails. And the reason I went with the ducktail too is because I wanted to keep the active arrow on the car as well. I would really like a giant wing, but my garage ceiling is kind of low, so I think this will do for now. Okay, so I'm just going to clean it really well with some Rust-Oleum wax and tar remover. Okay, let that dry. Okay, and I'm just going to give it a quick clean with some rubbing alcohol. They're nice and clean. Alright, I'm getting the double stick tape off. Pull that off right there. We're a little low on time here. Okay, double stick tape is off. Now we're gonna get this guy on. Make sure to sort of cup it. Oh shit. And it fits perfect, dude. And put some pressure on it. And she's on. That's it. Fucking sick, guys. So it functions properly. Alright, so yeah, spoiler functions properly. Let's make sure the trunk opens up just fine. Look at that, dude. There's like a perfect amount of clearance. It's like just barely touches when you open it and close it. Look at that. It's like right on there. There's like maybe you could, I guess you could fit a sheet of paper in there, a really thin piece of paper. Whew. So like I said, the fit and finish is like 9 out of 10. My only concern is like those corners are super close. I feel like it's actually touching, maybe. But then the clearance over here is like there's quite a bit. So other than that, like these corners, I would say a fit and finish is like a high 9 out of 10. So that's pretty sweet. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully that was an informative video. Like I said, I got that from Gary Fu. He's on he's a Facebook member of the Cayman groups on Facebook, obviously. But yeah, it was $900 shipped from Malaysia. Fit and finish is about a high 9 out of 10, almost 10 out of 10. And it just looks like a real quality piece of work. It's sick. I'd say it's worth the money. Like I said, really would like to go with one of those big wings from Getty, an RS wing or so. But the ducktail just works better for my current situation, seeing as how my garage ceiling is super low as is. So it'd basically be impossible to open the hatch while in the garage if I had a Getty RS wing. So yeah, until I get a new garage or a bigger garage, this Ducktail will definitely suit my needs, and it looks pretty sweet. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Deuces.